Hey Dan, it's Melissa. I just wanted to shoot you over that quick video showing you some tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So, looking at your website, it looks really professional and good, but just at first glance, it really doesn't have very much content on this first page. And what Google does is they have crawlers and they go through and analyze your website and look at all of the relevant keywords that you have related to, say, flooring or carpet or Jacksonville, things like that. And that's how they rank you at the top of their search engine. And I just wanted to note too that when you upload pictures to your website, that actually counts as content as well. So you want to make sure when you save them, they're saved as some type of relevant content, say flooring or carpet, the same things that we just spoke about the relevant keywords. So when we go through, and I pulled up actually one of your top competitors as well over in the Jacksonville area, and as you can see from his website, he just has a lot more content and pictures and a video here. So he has a lot more things that Google is going to recognize in order to rank his site and get it to more of the top of that page. He also has a call to action page down here. So those are just a few ways that you can try and improve your site and try to get some more traffic through your website so you're not having to pay for all those extra advertising. So for example, when we go and Google flooring Jacksonville, if you look at the top of this is what's called the map pack. So all of these people up here have a Google My Business page, and it's really simple to do. You just add your company name, address, phone number, add a bunch of reviews on there, some pictures, and that really helps you to get to the top of this map pack. And you really want to try and get to this top three because people, when they search for flooring, they typically don't go past this page. They're going to go through, look at all these reviews, choose which one they like, and just go with it. So if you keep scrolling down a little bit, these are what's called the organics. So it's really good to be at the top of this page as well. And oh, and you're actually on here, so you're not ranking too bad. It would be really easy to beat out all of this competition and get to the top of this page. So I use this program that's called Ahrefs, and it actually analyzes your website. So when we look at, actually, that was your competitor. So when we look at your website, you have almost 300 people coming to your site a month. That's really awesome, especially just for the Jacksonville area. You have over 3,000 backlinks, which is great. You have a pretty high UR rating and DR rating, and the UR rating is basically how powerful your site is, and the DR rating is how trustworthy that it is in Google's eyes. So let's just go take a look at your competitors and see if we can find out why they're ranking better than you. Okay, so they have over 600 people come to their site a month, and they really have a lot more keywords. So that's what we were talking about. If you add some content to your page, you can really be able to beat out your competitors easily because you have the backlinks, you have the trustworthy rating. If you just add some more content to that page, get a Google My Business page, add some reviews and pictures to that, I really think you'll be in good business and you'll be able to beat them out and get some more people come to your site. Without having to pay for, extra advertising. I hope that this was helpful, and please give me some feedback and let me know if you have any questions at all in implementing some of these tips. Have a great one.